The people will be in the front of God on the day of judgment, and God will ask, what did you did in your life? And you need to say something, I did this, my Lord. So you can do something, they present yourself in front of your God on the day of judgment, that I did this for you. Dying for God doesn't mean that God needs your life, and then He gets something benefit with your life. No. Meaning of dying for God is to dying for justice. Dying for justice. That's the meaning of dying for God. Not that some countries like America, they tell that you die for your country and you can kill other people for your country. That's not a good idea. Why you're going to kill someone for your country? And that's what's happening in the world today. One country say you kill other people's country because of your country. And they called it very good. Like example, America can kill people. They according to the Constitution of America, they can even throw atom bomb on any country. Why? Because of national security. The national security allows them to bomb the nuclear bomb to any country in the world. So this idea of dying for other than God is always dangerous. When you say I die for God, then you believe that all the human beings are creation of God. They are all slaves of God. They are all created by God. And not just created by God, it is created by God through one father and one mother. Who is the father? Adam. And who is the mother? Eva, the Eve. Now in that perspective, all the human beings are brothers and sisters in humanity. So why the brothers and sisters will kill other brothers and sisters? When all the nations in the world are brothers and sisters, there is no fight anymore. So you don't need to die for this country and you die for my country and I die for my country and I kill you for my country and you kill me for your country. No, there is no such idea anymore. Why? Because the people lives in this country and people lives in other country. They're all brothers and sisters in humanity. So meaning of God, dying for God, when there is injustice, like example, Allah said in the Quran, why don't you fight for the people who are being oppressed, who are being abused? Why don't you fight for those women and children? That's Allah said in the Quran. Why don't you fight for those women and children who are being slaughtered? Why don't you fight to protect them? That is dying for God. When you see the people being oppressed, people being abused, then you help them. That is the meaning you are dying for God.